we are at the end of the weekend. It was an incredible weekend. I am super happy. I'm going to be uploading the lap in a separate video, but I'm going to put a few highlights in, or I may have just done that, or I'm going to do that after this talking. But I am super happy. We did a lot of driving. I think around 700 kilometers only on the track. That's quite a bit. One track day, I think 200-300 kilometers is already quite a lot. So I'm very happy with that, even though we spent about 4 hours in the workshop this morning figuring out an oil leak at the tube for the oil dipstick. Rear differential, we still had some issues, but we got it all sorted. Carl, every time I drove about 5 to 10 laps, I gave him some feedback, showed him the videos. We did one lap with him as well, which I think I'll do in a separate video. And he was able to give some feedback based on that. He changed a few clicks and everything got a lot better. I was having issues mainly with the car just oversteering on certain sections. Which partly was due to my driving style. I just was throwing the car in too much, going on the throttle, so that's also due to that. But I think he generally made the rear softer and the car just handles so much better. Welcome to another day of Touristenfahrten. Today is Saturday. Weather is semi. It's like, well, it says 4 degrees. It's a bit warmer than that. I think it's like 5-6 degrees. But yeah, I'm just gonna try and get as much driving in as possible today. I think I'm gonna, after about 10-15 laps, I'm gonna go to Custom Race Tech. Give him some feedback on the setup, maybe he needs to change some things, just check everything through. But now I'm mainly gonna warm up the tires, tank is full. And let's see, I think the track will probably still be damp in some sections. The sun hasn't come through yet, so. But let's see. I mean, I don't care about lap times yet, so if there's a couple of sections that are damp, it doesn't matter. Because I can just lift for those bits. And I mainly want to get a feeling for the car from any section of the track, so I don't have to be pushing it for every bit. So yeah, let's see. Let's warm up the tires, so the first bit of the lap a little bit slower, and see what it brings. setup, and I can give him a bit of feedback where I'm getting oversteer and how the car is feeling, and based on that he can adjust things. I also sent him my onboard. Personally, I'm still not driving great. I need to learn the track a little bit better and get back into it, but maybe the onboard is able to give him enough of an impression of how the car is behaving. But out of the box, suspension is already working very well. It is incredibly impressive how well the suspension hides curbs at high speed. It's really mind-boggling. And how good the setup from Custom Racing is out of the box. But I just have to say something that's occurring to me now, which maybe is kind of normal to us, but maybe for some of the international viewers, maybe more so for us because we have the TÜV and the homologation, which just makes it so difficult to do modifications legally. But it is so enjoyable to be driving kind of like a race car or a car like this on the road and then on the track with a helmet and then off the road and to the workshop, to lunch, to dinner, or to walk my dog. It just, that's very special. Just driving on the track, straight off the track, checking air pressure. That's what I love about the ring here, and I think there's no other place in the world that's like that. And I just spoke to Frank, who makes a very nice book called 360 Nürburgring, which I'll put down below or show an image of. And that book is about exactly that. Exactly when you come into the Eifel and you get this feeling. As soon as you turn off the motorway and you're in this area, you get a special feeling. Personally, I feel at home here. Every time I'm here, I feel happy and comfortable. And yeah, like I said, I just wanted to bring that up. Just being able to drive this car on the road and then on the track and stuff like that is very special. And I think kind of offers you a different experience opposed to just driving a pure race car only on the racetrack. Because then you're only doing a tack into the box and you step out. And yeah, here like this, we're just amongst normal traffic, going about errands, which in this case is Custom Race Tech. Here we are again at Custom Race Tech. It really is insane what a shop like Custom Race Tech can do based off of feeling, and I think it's just endless amounts of experience, and the car just handles better, just changing a couple clicks. So super happy. He's also pretty happy with how the Öhlins is working, and yeah, we just last lap, end of the day, we did a train of 6 cars, which was so much fun. It was Robert, Berti in the E46 in front, then me, then Maxi behind. I think Thomas behind in the E36 and another 2 cars which I didn't know, and it just was fantastic. I hope I'll get some footage from Nathan, we'll put it in. And then last lap of the day was pretty empty. I was on my own. At the beginning, up to T13, I f***ed up. I braked too late, was just going in too quick. I wanted too much. Then it got better. Then Wippermann and Bellofes, I had quite a bit of traffic, but nonetheless I got to do a 7:31, which I'm super happy with. I don't even have, I think I have about 80 laps overall driven the Nordschleife. With this car now, I don't know, 30, 40, something like that, 30 I would say. And with the Nankang tires, which just are not the best tires. They're very good, but there are better ones. And with no aero, and with partially missing balls. There still are a few sections where I could brake later and just drive better and have a better line, but I'm super happy with that. Especially since this is the only car with the Öhlins CTX suspension. So, super happy with that. Nila, the co-pilot, has been waiting. You a happy dog? You're a happy dog. You're a very happy dog. No, I'm incredibly happy. So big thank you to Custom Race Tech for doing such a fantastic job at setting up the car. Still have some profile. Yeah, not so bad. So yeah, it's gonna be a longer video, lots of onboards, lots of highlights. yeah, I am in love with this car. Honestly, it all was worth it. And I love just seeing the massacre on the front of the car. Alright guys, take it easy. Hope you enjoyed it, guys and girls. And I'll see you next time.